Winton Machine's RD20 CNC high-speed tube and pipe bender is engineered for precision, safety, and speed. Featuring a two-hand safety start and interlocked bend tooling, the RD20 ensures operator protection and reliable operation on every cycle. With onboard diagnostics, you'll have real-time system feedback to keep production running efficiently. Achieve rapid cycle times with an impressive 3.3 seconds bend to bend. Quick change tooling allows you to switch setups in minutes, keeping downtime to a minimum. Each servo-controlled axis delivers consistent, repeatable performance, perfect for high-volume connection. Mandrel bending is available for tight radius and thin wall applications, ensuring a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. And with Winton's 24/7 technical support, expert assistance is always within reach. Add flexibility with the optional step file converter for direct part data import. Capable of up to 64 bends per part, the RD20 CNC high-speed tube and pipe bender is built to deliver maximum efficiency, accuracy, and uptime, every shift, every day. Winton Machines, built for production, engineered for part-to-part repeatability, quick change tooling, and easy operation, with unlimited part storage for maximum flexibility on the shop floor. As tube bending experts, Winton has delivered engineered solutions since 1998. Add an automatic loader and unloader for full automation and program directly from CAD files straight to the bender. With no limit to part length and an optional hitch feed, your production potential keeps expanding. Experience high-speed performance powered by an electric bend head for precision, consistency, and throughput you can rely on. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.